Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of a fishing and hunting slingshot. We're going to show you what it looks like, empty out the box here and show you the content. And then of course we're going to show you a little bit of use. Not going to go too deep into hunting or fishing, but just want to show you how it works and most importantly let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so when we open up the box, you'll see some simple instructions. And then of course, you'll see all kinds of different parts and pieces that are going to be part of this. And this is going to be your heaviest piece. I just want to show you. High quality. Good solid leather and everything on this stuff. So, yeah, we're excited here. Two little L wrenches or monkey wrenches, whatever you want to call them. And again, a lot of parts and pieces, so I'm not going to walk you through how to put this together because there are instructions, so I'm just going to cut to when it's ready. Alright, so before I do that, I do want to show that there are a ton of parts and pieces. It does come with fishing reel as well. There comes a little screwdriver, so there's going to be a lot of different things that you will need to put together, as kind of noted earlier. A lot of small little parts, pieces, stuff like that. So make sure again that you check. Here's another little L wrench. Check for all the parts and pieces, wristbands, and assemble properly. This is a slingshot, so the key component here is safety. We want to be able to hunt with the slingshot and or to fish, but it's all got to be done pretty properly. As you can see, this is not a bad looking fishing rod that you can work with, or reel I should say, that you can work with. So a lot of great little parts and pieces. All right, I decided I'll show you kind of some of the basics to put this thing together. So for the fishing reel, we're just gonna take these two parts, slide them in, and then tighten this. So that it's connected. All right. Then you're going to take this piece and tighten both sides of these with your small wrench. Okay. That should clamp tight. And now this is going to slide in to the base here. All right, so you'll have to see the bottom here. I'll show it. You'll see the grooves on each side here, and this is just going to connect like so, but make sure that this is up when doing so, otherwise it'll be difficult. So it's definitely not made out as easy as it should be, because trying to get this screw kind of interferes a little bit here. So it can be difficult, and then I don't know if this will, nope, you're going to just need a regular screwdriver if you're really like a big flathead, if you really want to tighten it, but hand tightening should be good enough. So now you've got your reel set up at the base of this. So the next thing that we're going to want to do is just connect your band. I'm going to give you a couple of these, which is great. And so what you'll do here is you'll see a little nub at the edge of these, and you're just going to pop these in, top and bottom, and pull tight. And then do the same for the other side, making sure that the curve is still in there. I'm hoping you can see the curve there, top and bottom. And then again, just pull through, and then you should have yourself a solid grip. And then of course, to do this properly, you're going to want to grip underneath and shoot from there. In our little bag here comes some fishing darts. So you would literally just attach those to your reel, and then you're just gonna, I'm not gonna demonstrate this, but you're just gonna shoot these, if you could, from close range, depending on what your skill set is. Utilize safety at all times whenever possible. But you do have a nice little, kind of traveling sack here for those. So finally, for this part, for our purposes here, you've got some heavy BBs. If you don't want to use your own regular BBs, depending on what you're looking to shoot, these are some good, to test and practice, if nothing else. If you need to, get a more, effective piece, then by all means, let's do that. Whatever your shooting pleasure is. So I'm just going to show you how we do this. They also come with some protective gear here that will just, kind of get right on your wrist and get into the fine positions. So again, adjust as needed and set yourself up as needed to be able to shoot with. All right, so first just want to point out, I'm just going to be shooting one of the plastics, but I also want to point out, hoping you can see this. This is magnetic, so if you're putting BBs on there, it'll actually just stay right there for you. So I'm just going to get myself loaded here. We've got a lot of critters that run through the backyard here, and again, however you choose to shoot, I'm trying to shoot sideways so I can give you a better angle the best I can. Maybe I'll come above, but you're just going to pull it back, yank it back, and fire. And it's that simple. We're going to get rid of some critters and some, scare off some deer by giving them a little thump in the butt. But it's really that simple. It's easy to use, easy grip for sure. Sorry for the shadowing here, but very strong. This will give you an idea. Like, I can get pretty much arm's length so I can eye it up very easily and just fire and hit your targets. And then of course it's very compact and easy to kind of put away and store in the travel bag or whatever you need. So hopefully this for you helps. To me, it's worth buying. Hopefully you found value.